see multiplier and MPC, and you know that k is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, and means this formula indicates relationship between multiplier and MPC. See, now after this we will discuss derivation of this. After this we will discuss derivation of this. See, derivation, we know that y is equal to c plus I. Y is equal to c plus I. See, you know that AD is equal to AS is equal to Y is equal to Y, and what is the formula of AD? C plus I and C plus I. So A, what is the formula of AS? C plus I, and what is the formula of, according to this equality, C plus I. C plus I, and you know that change in income is equal to change in income is equal to change in consumption and change in investment. Change in investment. See, change in income is equal to change in consumption. So I can write here delta y is equal to delta C plus delta I. Delta C is equal, delta y is equal to delta C plus delta I, dividing both sides. Dividing both sides by delta y, we get delta y divided by delta y, delta C divided by delta y, plus delta I divided by delta y. See, delta y divided by delta is equal to 1. Delta C divided by delta y is equal to means MPC. You know that. Plus, see, what is the formula of K? Delta y divided by delta I. K is equal to delta y divided by delta, but this is delta I divided by delta y. Suppose if I write, I can write this. See, if you will reverse this, then you will also reverse 1 upon K is equal to delta I divided by delta y. So you will write here for this 1 upon K. 1 upon K. 1 upon K. See, please take care. Write here this 1 minus MPC. 1 minus MPC. See, I can write this 1 upon K is equal to 1 minus MPC. 1 upon K is equal to 1 minus MPC. Please reverse this. K, if suppose if I reverse this, means this will also reverse 1 upon 1 minus MPC. So this is the complete derivation of this. K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. And you know that, see, MPC plus MPS is equal to 1 and MPS is equal to 1 minus MPC. Is it visible or not? Yes, it is visible. See, right here, you know that MPC plus MPS is equal to 1 and MPS is equal to 1 minus MPC. So I can write here, or K is equal to 1 divided by MPS. 1 divided by MPS. So this is the derivation of, this is the derivation process of this formula, means K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, or you can write this K is equal to 1 upon MPS. 1 upon MPS. See, you know that there exists positive relationship between value of K and means value of multiplier and value of MPC, but according to this formula, there exists an inverse relationship. So always remember, there exists a positive relationship between value of multiplier and value of MPC, but there exists an inverse relationship between value of multiplier and value of MPC. Means MPC relates to, or you can say, there exists a positive relationship between value of multiplier and MPC, and there exists an inverse relationship between value of multiplier and value of MPS. So please pause the video and note down this. See next topic. Question is there. Explain the relationship between multiplier and MPC. Explain the relationship between multiplier and MPC. Then see, you will make a table. First of all, you will write value of MPC, and here multiplier. Multiplier means K, and you know that what is the formula of multiplier according to MPC? K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. See, suppose value of MPC is 1. Suppose value of MPC is 0. Value of MPC is 0. See, then K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus, you will write in place of, you will write 0 in place of MPC. So 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Suppose MPC is 0, then value of multiplier will be equal to 1. Suppose value of MPC increases from 0 to 0.5. 0 to 0.5. And see here, K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0.5. 1 divided by 0.5 means is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. Suppose value of MPC is 0.6. 0.6. Then K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0.6 means 1 divided by 0.4 means 2.5. 2.5. See, suppose value of MPC increases from 0.6 to 0.8. 0.8. See, K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0.8. 1 upon 0.2 means 5. See, 0.9. Take value of MPC 0.9. K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0.9. 1 divided by 0.1 is equal to 10. Take value of MPC is equal to 1. See, K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0. Sorry, 1 minus 1. 1 upon 0 means infinite. Means infinity. So see here, means question is there, explain the relationship between multiplier and MPC. Means there exists a positive relationship between multiplier and MPC. See, in this table value of MPC increases, then multiplier also increases. And see, according to this table means minimum value of multiplier will be equal to 1. Always remember, means what is the minimum value of multiplier? What is the minimum value of multiplier? when MPC is equal to 0. When MPC is equal to 0. So you will say means minimum value of multiplier will be equal to 1 and maximum value of multiplier will be infinite when MPC is equal to 1. When MPC is equal to 1. When MPC is 0, then minimum value of multiplier will be equal to 1, and when MPC is equal to 1, then maximum value of multiplier will be equal to infinity, or you can say infinite. So I hope all of you have understood a relationship between MPC and multiplier. So please pause the video and note down this. See next question. Explain the relationship between multiplier and MPS. So you will take here MPS and multiplier means K, and what is the formula of multiplier according to MPS? You know that K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, and 1 minus MPC means 1 upon MPS. So this is the formula of multiplier according to MPS. See, suppose MPS is equal to 1. Suppose MPS is equal to 1. MPS is equal to 1. Now K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus C. Now you will write here 1 in place of MPS. So value of K will be equal to 1. Suppose value of multiplier decreases from 1 to 0.5. Then K is equal to 1 upon 0.5 means 2. Suppose 0.6, see decrease 0.4, K is equal to 1 upon 0.4, K is equal to 1 upon 0.4 means 2.5. Suppose take here 2, 0.2, K is equal to 1 upon 0.2 means 5. See, suppose 0.1, K is equal to 1 upon 0.1 means 10. Suppose take MPS is equal to 0, then K is equal to 1 upon 0 means infinite. I hope all of you have understood. Means value of MPS decreases, then value of multiplier increases. Means there exists an inverse relationship between MPS and multiplier, but positive relation exists between multiplier and MPC. So I hope all of you have understood. Explain the relationship between multiplier and MPS. Means there exists an inverse relationship between multiplier and MPS. And suppose question is there, explain the relationship between multiplier and MPC. So there exists a positive relationship between multiplier and MPC. Now all of you know that. Always remember, minimum value of multiplier will be equal to 1 and maximum value of multiplier will be equal to infinite, or you can say infinity. So please pause the video and note down this.